it? What is it? Is that a kitchen?
Yeah.
Did Santa bring you a kitchen? You want to come look at it?
Look at these.
Buttons, little knobs. I'm going to move this from your presents and look at your kitchen. Look, there's a sink. You can wash dishes in there. And you can cook.
Oh, it doesn't come on.
No, it doesn't come on. I don't think it has real water in it. We might could sometimes put some water in the sink.
What's in here?
Nothing yet. You're going to have to put stuff in there. What do you think?
That's different.
It is a telephone.
What's this right here?
Let me hold Ellie.
What's that right there, Mommy?
It's a telephone. So hold your telephone.
Oh, it doesn't come on.
It does. Pick it up. Oh.
These buttons. These buttons are.
The button. Oh, you okay? The buttons are up there. See, that's where the numbers are.
They're not on this. That phone I can push. Right here.
What?
That's,
Do you like your kitchen? Hello. Because Santa. He says, do you like your kitchen? And hang it back up.
yes. With that finger right here.
You just put it back. See, this goes right here. Did you see what's on top of your kitchen? Up there?
What's that right here?
I think it's frogs.
I gotta get off of that top of my kid.
You need to get them off of the top.
Or I can't reach them. You gotta reach them, please.
Please, ma'am.
Reach these.
Okay, we'll put them down, but can't touch them. We don't want to upset them. Oh, did he move?
Yes, he is.
Your little voice is just gone. Just be very careful with him. And just look at him.
Swim. Look at these frogs, Daddy.
I know.
They're moving. Look, they're moving. This one went up high right here. What? They come here. We can come here. And these frogs, look, these frogs, Daddy.